Welcome to this quick guide on finding past conversations by date in Telegram Web's latest update. If you've ever struggled to locate a specific message or file shared with a bot on a particular day, this feature will save you time. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate the bot you want to search within. This could be a productivity bot, a file sharing assistant, or any automated account you've interacted with. Click to open the chat. Now, look for the search icon in the top right corner of the chat window. It's the magnifying glass symbol. Clicking this opens a search bar where you'd normally type keywords. But here's the new trick. Instead of typing text, look for the calendar icon embedded within the search bar. It's small, but easy to spot once you know it's there. Click the calendar icon, and a date picker will pop up. This tool lets you select any date from the past, scroll through the months, or use the drop-down menus to navigate to the specific year and month you need. Once you've found the date, click to highlight it. After selecting the date, click the Jump to Date button. Telegram will instantly take you to the messages exchanged on that exact day. If there were multiple interactions, scroll up or down within the same date to find the exact message or file. This feature is especially handy for bots that handle tasks like reminders, event planning, or document storage. Imagine retrieving a booking confirmation from a travel bot or revisiting a workout log from a fitness assistant, all without scrolling endlessly. Remember, this method works only for dates where messages exist. If no messages were exchanged on the selected date, the chat will remain empty. For broader searches, combine the date filter with keywords in the search bar to narrow results further. And that's it. With Telegram Web's updated Search by Date tool, managing bot conversations becomes effortless. Never lose track of important details again. Happy searching!